Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to take a screenshot for your chart in cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader. And as you can see, we have here this camera icon, chart. Now, all you have to do is click on it and click on it again. As you can see, we have here a camera in the cursor. Click on it like this, and it will open a page on your browser, as you can see. Now we have here the pair, the time frame, and the date. Okay, as you can see, we have here also the pair, the time frame, and the date. If you want to download it, just right click and click on save image as, or you can use these links to share it if you want. So we have here this page link is this one. We have an image link, this one. You can use it also if you want. For example, this one, right click and click on save image as. Okay, when you click on it, you can save it wherever you want. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.